Happy day, my dear kids. Have you all understood the concept of all topics in chapter 1 whole numbers? Well, if you have any doubt in chapter 1, just make a call and clear your doubts, children. Let me see few topics under chapter 1. We are going to write these topics in classwork copy. Write today's date at the top left corner of the page, and at the end of the first line you have to write page number. Below the date you have to write it as CW, and also you have to write it as HW. In next line, write Roman letter 2 A, list all the prime numbers from 1 to 50. In next line you have to write the answer A and S. Then I listed few prime numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7. You have to find the remaining prime numbers. Leave one line and write the second question. B, list all the composite numbers from 50 to 70. The composite number starts from 50 is 50, 51, etc. You have to find the answer for the question B. Next question is C. Leave one line and write C. What is the smallest prime number? You know what are the numbers from 1 to 100. So write the smallest prime number. Then leave one line and write D. What is the smallest composite number? Then again leave one line and write E question. What number is neither prime nor composite? Again leave one line and write F question. What is the first even composite number? Answers for all the questions from A to F is given in the grid 1 to 100. If you have page, continue the next Roman letter in the same page. Otherwise, take next page and write it as Roman letter 3. Answer the following. At the end of the first line, you have to write page number at the top right corner of the page. Then, after writing third Roman letter, leave one line and write number 1. List the next 4 multiples of 5. Hope you all know about multiplication table of 5. So, you have to use multiplication table and write multiples of 5. Then leave one line and write second question. List the next 4 multiples of 9. You have to write 4 multiples after 27 and 36. Okay. Again leave one line. Write problem number 3. Write any number that is a multiple of 9. Find the sum of the digits of the number. Is the sum a multiple of 9? We have done this problem in previous class video. If you have any doubt, just look over that video and find the answer for this problem. In first line, you have to write any number which is a multiple of 9. In second line, you have to add the digits of the same number. You will get an answer. In third line, you have to check whether the answer is a multiple of 9 or not. Then leave one line and write problem number 4A is 86 a multiple of 6. You have to use factorization method, that means divisibility method. 86 divided by 6. You have to use multiplication table of 6 to find the remainder. If you get remainder as 0, then 86 is a multiple of 6. Otherwise, it is not a multiple of 6. Then again, after finding the answer of 4A, then leave one line and write the question B. Is 77 a multiple of 7? Here also you have to use divisibility method. 77 is divisible by 7 or not. You have to use multiplication table to find the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then it is a multiple of 7. If the remainder is not 0, then the number is not a multiple of 7. Then go to Roman letter 4. After writing Roman letter 3, 4, A and B, leave one line and write Roman letter 4. Round each number to the nearest 100 to estimate the value of each of the following. If you are writing in next page, you have to write page number also. Every page you have to write page number. Then after writing the heading, leave one line and write number 1. 39,480 plus 208. In next line, write as AN as answer below number 1. Then you have to do normal addition. 39,480 plus 208. Start from ones place. 0 and 8. 0 plus 8 equal to 8. Go to tens place. 8 and 0. 8 plus 0 makes 8. In hundreds place, 4 plus 2 makes 6. In thousands place, 9 plus nothing. 9 plus nothing is 9. In 10,000's place, 3 plus nothing. 3 plus nothing is 3. 39,688 is your answer for the given problem using normal addition method. Now we have to do estimation for the same problem using rounding off method to nearest 100. Consider the value 39,480. From 100's place, 480 is there. 480 is nearest to which number? Before 480 or after 480? We have to round off in 100's place. In 100's place 4 is there, so increase one value after 480. So you will get 500. Before 480, the round off value to 100 is 400, 39,400. So which is nearest? 39,500 is nearest to 39,480. Next we have to find out the round off value for 208. 300 is the nearest value after 208 if you round off the value to 100. And 200 is the nearest value before 208 if you round off the value to nearest 100. Okay. From 200 and 300, which is nearest to 208? 200 is nearest to 208. So you have to consider 200 as the nearest round off value to 208. Take the nearest round off values 39,500 and 200. Then do normal addition method. Right? You have to use approximate symbol while writing the round off value nearest to 100. Instead of equal to, you have to write approximate symbol, then write the round off values 39,500 plus 200. In next step, you have to put equal to because we are going to add the similarity values, nearest values. 39,700 if you add both the values. Therefore, 39,688 is nearest to the number 39,700. If you round off the value 39,688, then you will get the answer as 39,700 only. So both the values are very close to each other. In this way, you have to do normal addition and you have to recheck with the estimation of nearest round off value. After completing the first problem, leave one line and write problem number 2, 7,098 minus 244. Then in next line, write the answer as A and S. Do normal subtraction for the given numbers. After finding the answer using normal subtraction, you have to do estimation of subtraction using nearest round off value to 100. By using the round off value, you have to subtract both the values, then compare both the values which is nearest to each other or not. Okay children? Read the problem carefully and do the answers correctly. Write your classwork copy neatly. If you have any doubts in these topics, watch the previous videos from the channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal by subscribing it. Watch the videos from playlist. Thank you children.